Hi everyone, welcome to day 7 of Overcoming Procrastination. And today I'll read some of the paragraphs from the book Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy, which is source of my content for this 21 days challenge which I'm running on overcoming procrastination. I thought I'll directly read those lines from the book because I didn't want it to lose the essence of those powerful statement which author has written for us to think about. So here we go. 85% of your happiness in life will come from happy relationship with other people, especially those closest to you as well as the members of your family. Please note, the critical determinant of the quality of your relationship is the amount of time that you spend face to face with the people you love and who love you in return. The purpose of time management, of eating that frog and getting more done in less time, is to enable you to spend more face time with people you care about, doing the things that give you the greatest amount of joy in life. So, time management is a means to an end, and it's very important for us to always ask ourselves what is the whole purpose of saving this time or ensuring that we are able to use our time effectively, we are following all the great tips and tricks around productivity. Is it to complete one task and move to another task, or you want to enjoy the whole process, enjoy this life which is journey and not rat race? So after this 21 days challenge, if by following this tip you are able to save some of your time by eating that frog which is preventing you to accomplish your dream or your goals in life, I would say use those save time to spend quality time with your loved one. It could be cooking together, walking together, discussing what's happening with them in their life, or going out for a lunch, dinner, whatever you like, but spend quality time.